Our planet is changing rapidly, and the need for sustainable solutions has never been greater. Presenting BioBreath, a scientific innovation by Team Agastya from Kekani Vidya Mandir. Our mission is simple: to create a cleaner, greener, and healthier Earth for all. Every day, industries around the world release tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess CO2 traps heat, fuels global warming, and pollutes the air we breathe. It's leading to melting ice caps, rising temperatures, and health problems worldwide. That's why we decided to find a solution, and that solution is BioBreath. BioBreath aims to design a low-cost, efficient system that can capture carbon from the air and turn it into something useful. Our goals are simple: reduce pollution, reuse carbon, and promote sustainability. We want to show how innovation can make climate action affordable for everyone. Our system is built around two tanks, tank 1 with algae and tank 2 with activated charcoal. Polluted air enters through the inlet and passes through these tanks in sequence. The algae tank absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. Then, the activated charcoal tank traps remaining gases and fine particles, purifying the air completely. BioBreath stands out for being impactful, eco-friendly, sustainable, and innovative. It not only cleans the air but also creates useful byproducts. This makes it a model for future green technologies: simple, practical, and powerful. Together, algae and activated charcoal form a natural air cleaning system. Algae remove carbon, while charcoal safely stores it. This dual action ensures maximum purification and zero waste: clean air in, cleaner earth out. The algae that capture carbon grow into biomass, a valuable resource. This biomass can be turned into biofertilizer, fish food, or even biofuel, supporting agriculture, energy, and the environment all at once. Activated charcoal is full of tiny pores that trap carbon particles and harmful gases. It strengthens the air cleaning process and can even help produce eco-bricks, giving pollution a second life in a useful form. BioBreath, the Lifesaver Project. The algae tank absorbs carbon dioxide and produces oxygen naturally. The activated charcoal tank captures the rest and converts it into eco-bricks. Together, they recycle pollution into something valuable for our planet. BioBreath truly turns green power into clean power. Thank you, Team Agastya, Kekani Vidya Mandir.